Hi guys, well today we will be making a blue Angry Bird. I made a red one too, this one, a long time ago, well before like November, and today I made this one for my friend Haley, Super Haley Omar I mean, sorry, and I will be showing you a tutorial how to make this too. So the blue Angry Bird, what you'll need is mostly blue, black and white. So, let's get started. Well, my Super Haley Omar, she said that if I make the yellow Angry Bird, the bomb Angry Bird, the red Angry Bird, and the blue Angry Bird, she will, and the girl Angry Bird with the bow and the pig, she said she will pay me 25 cents, so I guess I'll just make it. So, what you'll need is to make a body, about that big. They're really small, but I'm just gonna make it big. Then you will need like about this much blue for the little thing on top of it, its head. So you roll that out, kind of thick, and then just like cut it. Something. My knife is in my toolbox for like my clay, so I'll just use that after. Okay, well after that, you just put them on the place where you want the head to be. It's okay if there's a little bit of green one, like right there. Are you on YouTube? Okay, well after you've got that, just press it down so it won't fall down, off. Then you take some air dry clay or white. I'm going to be using air dry clay. And just take like enough so it can have eyeballs. Try not to make them too big. And then just cover up your air dry clay and take some black for the pupils. Mine are going to be like this. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say you will need some orange for the beak. So it looks like that. And then we'll take some orange clay. Make into like a triangle. Put the beak on. Well, this is how mine turned out to look. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!